Good evening, ma'am. I'm Bahudur Deevina. I'm from Palam. I have completed my graduation in BCom from Dr. Langpalli Bellaya College in the year 2020. At present, I'm undergoing a course from Nirman organizations when I'm being trained in Excel and other basic IT topics. My strengths, I have good management skills and I can multitask while focusing in deadline. For example, when I associate in projects during my college, if anyone wants help, I can clarify their doubts. Simultaneously, I can complete my project in time. My weakness is I'm sensitive, whereas I can't tolerate people talk backwards on me and cheat me. As PepsiCo is a leading company and I want to be in business for a long time. I know that it is a stable and growing company. As a fresher, I want to be a part of it, and uh, this will be a boost to my career, and it is also an employee